you?
Yes, ma'am.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to
Happy birthday to
you.
you.
Happy birthday to
Tanya?
you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Only
Happy
singing.
birthday
To you.
May good God bless you. May good God bless you. May good God bless you, dear Tanya. Happy
Happy
birthday
birthday
to
to you.
you.
Okay, happy birthday.
Thank
When
you,
will
ma'am.
you give us chocolates?
Ma'am, what?
When will you give us chocolates?
I can give you sticker.
Sticker? Oh, virtual chocolates we don't want. No. When reopening comes now. That
Okay, ma'am.
anyway, January onwards, our school will reopen. So you have to give us chocolates.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? Okay. Okay, children. Only this many children.
Ma'am, what about homework?
Homework was there.
Yes, you had sent it in the group.
What was that homework?
Ma'am, the
Yes, ma'am. Ask the equal fraction.
fraction.
Okay, addition of like fractions.
No, ma'am. Simplest form
Ma'am,
of.
symbol is
Simplest
Simplest
form. Okay, that 250 by 600, something like that.
yes, 2 by 3.
Match the
Yes.
follow. Okay, children, do we have how many periods we have today?
One, ma'am. Only one.
One.
Yes.
Okay, so let us first find out the homework's answer. Afterwards, we'll start new topic. Okay, 1 second. Let me take the homework questions. Match the following, right?
Yes,
Yes,
You have
ma'am.
to make it simplest form and match the following.
yes, that's
Yes.
And all the numbers are contain 0, right?
yes,
Yes,
so many, yeah, everything.
Okay. Shall we learn now?
Yes, ma'am.
250 by 400.
Ma'am, you only told to find the simplest.
Okay, children.
50 by 400. Ma'am, it's science.
Is this your portion?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Okay.
You study.
Okay, children. Now, okay. Now, I will write the first one.
Yes, ma'am.
250 by, 1 second.
250 by 400.
Ma'am, combination.
No, yesterday's homework. 250 by 400. Okay, children. So, first of all, let us divide by 10, right? Because there is 0. So, we'll be getting 25 by 40. Isn't it?
Yes,
Isn't it?
Ma'am.
And we will divide it with the 5 itself once again. So,
and
5 by
let's
8.
divide by 2.
Yes. And 50 is the common factor. If you divide with the 50, you will get the answer. Did you, if answer is there 5 by 8 anywhere?
Yes, ma'am.
Next one is 180 by 200. Again, divide by 10, you will get 18 by 20. You can divide by 2.
Divided by 2.
Divide by 2, you will get 9 by 10.
9 by 10.
9 by 10 is there?
Yes.
Yes.
Next one, 660 by 990. Very easy. 330 is the common number. 330.
1 by 3.
330 is the common number. Okay.
I mean,
But
2 by
you
3.
may not get it late fast. So you will divide by 60 by 99.
3. 11 and 3.
Divide by 3, you will get 22 by 33. Divide by 11, you will get 2 by 3. Actually, children, 330 is the common factor in this 330. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next one. 180 by 360. 180 by 360.
By
Here,
180
children,
itself.
180 itself is the
Divided
common
by
factor.
Yes,
1 by
ma'am.
2. 1 by
180 is a common factor. 1 by 2.
1 by 2.
by 2.
But sometimes you may not get it. So you write it like this. Again, you can divide by 18. Divide by 18, you will be getting 1 by 2. 180
Ma'am,
itself
or
the
else we
common
can
factor.
also do 90 also.
Anyway, any method. Final answer will be this.
Yes.
Next one, 220 by 550. Check children, how many children came?
30.
31.
22 by
30.
55.
30.
2 by 5.
2 by 5.
5.
1 second.
Or with 11 you can
Divide by 11. Divide by 11. You will get 2 by 5.
That's easy.
Are then answers are there?
Yes,
Did you match it?
Yes.
Okay.
First I thought I should just move it in.
Okay, okay. Okay, children. So shall we learn now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
How many are there now? Only
Ma'am, can
30.
you say the last question? I did not see the last question.
Only 30. Why late to the class?
I'm only 29.
1 second. 1 second. 1 second.
I'm only 29.
Okay, ma'am. My answer is correct.
Yeah.
Ma'am, we can take next topic.
Okay. Okay. Okay, children, shall we learn now? New topic I am going to begin.
Yes, ma'am. There are 32 participants, ma'am.
32. Okay, children. See, actually, when there are like fractions, it is very easy to add or subtract, right? We already
Yes,
done
ma'am.
it. Like fractions are very easy to add or subtract. But if there are unlike fractions, when you get two fractions to add or subtract, 1 second.
Then we
When you
have
get two fractions to add or subtract, it is very easy if the denominators are same. But if the denominators are not same, you have to make it same. Okay. So for making it same, there is one method, that is finding LCM.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. So for finding LCM, we have a lot of things to study for finding LCM. Actually, LCM and HCF are third chapters, playing with the numbers. One long chapter is there. In that chapter, these all portions are kept. LCM and HCF and all. Okay, children?
I already studied that.
Okay. So for learning that, in fractions, we are using that LCM and HCF both. Okay, children. So
Yes, ma'am.
I'm taking all these. Actually, this is a top portion of the third chapter, but for teaching you LCM, I'm taking that third chapter's portion also in this chapter. Okay.
Ma'am,
Okay,
last year also we learned about LCM.
Okay, children. Then what is LCM? Tell me.
Least common factor.
Lowest common multiple.
Lowest common multiple. Okay. And what is this LCM, children?
lowest
Ma'am,
common.
we will find the factors.
Lowest common multiple. Lowest common multiple. Okay, children.
Lowest common
Listen to me. Listen to me. See, children. What do you mean by multiples? What are the multiples of 3?
The product of the number and
What are the multiples of 3? Tell me.
3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18,
For getting multiples, what did you do?
6 multiply.
For getting multiples, what we are supposed to do?
You have to multiply it with another number.
Multiply. Okay, children. Now, listen.
We should multiply.
1 second. Multiples. Multiples. Is there any end for multiples?
No.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
How many multiples are there for 3? How many multiples are there for 5?
Infinite.
Gautam not listening. Sorry?
Infinity.
Undefined.
No, because we are multiplying 3 into 1, 3 into 2, 3 into 3. All with all natural numbers we are multiplying. Right, children? So
Yes, ma'am.
here natural numbers are endless. So
Yes,
multiples are endless.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now listen. Nobody should talk. Listen to. Okay, children. First, let me write about LCM. What do you mean by LCM?
Least common multiple.
Don't write anything, children. Least common.
Multiple or lowest common multiple.
Least common multiple or lowest common multiple. Okay. LCM. Least common multiple or lowest common multiple. Listen, children. Let me write. First of all, let me write multiples of 3.
10, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 35.
Okay, 1 second. 3,
There are
6,
so many.
3, 6, 9,
9,
9, 12,
15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30,
18, 21, 24, 27,
27,
right? We write up to 30.
27, 30,
30,
Okay.
3.
33.
Okay, children, 1 second. Let me write about LCM. LCM is least. Don't write now. I will tell when to write and what to write. Least common multiple.
Common multiple.
Okay. Now, multiples of 3 we wrote. No, let us write multiples of 2.
2.
2,
Can you
4,
tell?
6, 7, 10, 12,
2,
14, 16,
4,
18, 20, 21, 24, 30.
8, 10, 12,
12,
13,
14,
16,
16, 18, 20.
20, 22,
22,
24,
24, 26,
26,
28,
36,
30.
40, 42, 45, 46.
Okay, enough. Up to this only you write. I'll write in putting the
19
dots. Okay. Okay, children. Now, listen, children. You look at this. Look at this least common multiple. In that, we wrote all multiples. Can you see multiples? We wrote all multiples here. Okay. Now, look at here. Look at here. Now we will study about common multiples. What do you mean by common multiples?
So there are 6 in
Common multiples. What do you mean by common multiples?
The common
numbers from both
Any two numbers are same.
6 is the
So, common multiples of 2 and 3. Can you tell what are they? Where are they? And what are the numbers?
6.
Common multiple. 1 is 6.
24.
Yes,
Shall I make a round?
yes.
12,
Now?
18.
Now?
24,
24. 30.
Now?
30.
10, 30.
30.
These are the common multiples. That is 6, 12, 18, 24,
and
30. Up to this only we wrote. So, we up to this only we got.
Yes,
Okay. Remaining are there, but we did not write it. There will not be enough space. Only this much is enough. So,
Yes,
children, when you see least common multiple, you understood about, we wrote now about common multiples. First, we wrote about multiples.
Yes, ma'am.
Then we wrote about common multiples. Okay,
Yes,
children?
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
children, we wrote common multiples. No, we wrote common multiples.
Yes, ma'am.
You understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, in our step, we have common multiples. In that, which is the least one?
6.
6 is the LCM.
6. So, this 6 is known as LCM.
LCM of 2 and 3.
LCM of 2 and 3 is
Country.
6.
6.
Understood, children?
Yes, ma'am.
What is LCM of 2 and 3?
6.
6. How did you get it? How did you get it?
Ma'am,
When I
by
wrote
the
about this, what are the
twos
steps?
and
Keep
threes
quiet,
are
Sri Shankar.
factors.
Please, Sri Shankar. Listen. We wrote, first of all, what did we write? 2 and 3. We took 2 and 3. So, what was the first step?
Ma'am, we have to find the multiples of 2 and
Multiples of
complex.
the numbers.
Multiples of 2. That means we wrote all the multiples, not all the multiples. So, up to some extent we wrote.
30 up to 30.
Then up to 30 we wrote. We can write many, but we stopped there.
Yeah.
Again, multiples of 3 we wrote. Same, we stopped at 30. Then next step, what we did? We
Ma'am,
wrote
we looked at the common multiples.
Found out the common
And all the
multiples.
common factors and we find the LCM.
So from 2's multiples and 3's multiples, we got some common numbers, common multiples that we wrote. Then in that common multiple, which is the least one,
6.
smallest one,
6, ma'am.
6.
this is the method of doing LCM. Smaller classes, have you learned this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. 4th and 5th we have.
Fifth standard and all we used to do
Yes,
like
ma'am.
this.
Last year we have.
LCM and
But
LCM were very tough.
All the steps, it is not possible to write like this, all the questions.
Yes, ma'am.
So we are finding a very easy method,
Yes,
one
ma'am.
division method for finding LCM.
Yeah, like 20.
Division method. So this is the method for finding LCM. Okay, children. Actually,
Yes, ma'am.
this way we are finding LCM, but always if there are some two-digit number or 3-digit number, it is difficult for us to find.
Yes, ma'am.
Like this.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
what we found, we are using one small method to find LCM in a simple way. Okay,
Yes,
I
children.
have studied
So that is division method.
division method.
So this is LCM of 2 and 3. Shall we write one more?
Yes, ma'am.
We will find it ourselves.
Ma'am, can we write it?
1 second. Let us find LCM of 2 and 7 or 2 and 5. Which one you like? 2 and 5.
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 So what is our first step, children? You tell me.
2.
Ma'am,
We have to find the multiples of 2.
Multiples of 2.
a multiple of multiple and 2.
4,
4,
6,
6,
8,
10, 12, 14, 15, 18, 20.
Enough, no?
22.
Yes.
Enough.
Okay.
Then multiples of 5.
5, 10,
10, 15, 20,
35, 45,
35, 40,
10,
55, 60, 65, 70.
55, 40, 45.
60.
Okay, children. Now, next, what will you write?
Common
We
factor.
should take the
Common multiples. Common multiples, not common factor. Factor is different and multiple is different.
Okay.
We are studying only about multiples now.
Yes, sorry,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Tell about factors. So, what are the common multiples?
10.
10,
10,
10,
20,
20,
30,
10, 20, and 30. Okay, 30. Next one is LCM. Oh, all are talking. What is LCM here? Least common multiple, 10.
10 only.
Clear, children? So you start writing from first question onwards. I'll move the
Okay, ma'am.
board.
Ma'am, there is a mistake. What is heading? Ma'am, there is
Heading everything I wrote.
13 multiples of 2.
First question is,
Ma'am,
this is our first question, children. First question is LCM of 2 and 3. In between, I have drawn some, I have encircled already, but
Yes, ma'am.
leave that. You don't need
Ma'am,
to
we have
write
to
it.
write the heading as
Yes,
LCM
heading
write
and first question multiples of LCM of 2 and 3. Then second one LCM of 2 and
Excuse me,
5.
ma'am. Ma'am, I cannot see the first question.
This is the first question. Can you see?
No, ma'am, I can only see the second one.
Because of the network connection, maybe, Cheryl.
Ma'am, I got. Ma'am, it says Rizzy.
ma'am,
Now you got. Now please
Ma'am,
keep
now
your
it's
children and
okay.
write it.
Okay.
Finish, ma'am.
Finish, ma'am.
Finish, ma'am. Finish.
Ma'am, can you move it down?
Yeah.
I'm done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Finish, ma'am.
Finish, ma'am.
Finish, ma'am.
Already.
Done.
Okay. Hmm?
No 30 in multiples of 2. So how it can be common multiples 30?
Eh?
It is there. It is there.
30 is there.
30 is there.
30 is there, but ma'am had in written it. That's why I
Ma'am
asked.
wrote it in the
problem.
down. That ma'am raised it.
Here I guessed.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
15
I
into 2
I
is
did
30.
not write only up to 20 I wrote, but no, multiples of 2, 30
Yeah,
will come.
so
Yes,
I
ma'am.
wrote it. I wrote 30.
I
Yes,
wrote
I
till
know.
30, ma'am.
I also
Understand.
Lot of numbers you write. Midhu, sorry, Gautam. Write if you want till 100, no problem.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, children, LCM, least common multiple. Okay.
It's common multiple.
I hope you finished this.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
After studying this, we have to move to LCM. Okay, children, by division method. But for using division method for finding LCM, before starting division method, you have to learn one more concept that is very important one. That is test for divisibility of numbers. When you
Ma'am, that
see
is
a
0 to
number,
4, 6, 8.
when you see a number, you should understand which all numbers we can divide that number. Okay, by which all numbers we can divide. Now keep quiet, children. It's a very important matter. I don't want anybody to talk and disturb the others.
Ma'am, I have book about that.
Okay, children, listen. You may not be knowing, may be knowing or may not be knowing this concept. You might have studied also, but you listen.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. So starting LCM division method, before that, you have to learn this test for divisibility of numbers. Test for divisibility of numbers.
We should not write now, right?
Test for divisibility of numbers.
Ma'am, should be right.
Yeah, right. Or we can write like this, divisibility rules. Or another heading, same, divisibility rules.
I wrote that one.
Divisibility rules. Both are same.
Ma'am, which we have to write?
Both you write.
Yeah, last
Mistakenly, I wrote the first one.
I also wrote.
Okay. Now listen, children. Can you hear me?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Listen. When you see a number, you should understand by which all numbers we can divide that number. That is a very important thing, and you should be very expert in that. Okay, children?
Ma'am, I know about 2 and 3.
Now
I know
listen.
so
Listen. Okay, listen, children. 1 second. Let me write about, first, let me write about divisibility by 10. Divisibility by 10.
The last number ends in 0. The
Okay.
number is
1
divisible.
second. 1 second. Listen. I told you to write. Did I tell you to explain it? Richard?
I studied it. So.
Ma'am, divisibility by or
By?
10. 10.
100.
Okay, now keep quiet, children. Divisibility by 10. I'm writing one number, 138 and 130. Which number do you think
130.
we can divide by 10?
130.
130.
130. How did you
130.
understand you can divide by 130?
Because the last
Because
digit is 0.
the
So we can
last
divide
Because the
it.
last
Zero.
digit is 10.
0.
One digit.
0.
Okay, last digit is 0. That means look at the multiples of 10. 10,
Yes, ma'am.
20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, all common. All these numbers, there is a common thing. What is that?
0.
Zero. The unit digit should be 0.
Yes,
If the unit digit is 0, that number we can divide by 10.
The
Okay.
number is divisible.
Are you listening, children?
Ma'am.
Listen to me.
ma'am.
When you get a number, look at the last digit, unit digit. Last digit is known as unit digit.
Digit. Yes.
If the unit digit is 0, there will be, maybe 2 zeros or 3 zeros. But last digit is 0 means that number we can divide by 10. Any doubt is there?
No doubt.
No doubt.
So shall we write now?
Yes, ma'am. We have
Yes,
studied
ma'am.
this year itself, ma'am. Division,
Okay.
in the division chapter.
Listen.
Before that.
If a number has, if a number has 0 in the ones place, 0 in the ones place. Ones place. 0 in the ones place, then it is divisible by 10. Divisible by 10. Example. Example 80. Tell, you can write your own number. No
Ma'am, 10,
problem.
10, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80.
1,000, 10,000,
How many numbers?
1,000, 9,000, 10 lakh,
I
Okay.
wrote this number.
Finish.
50, 60, 80, 450, 660 and all.
Finished. Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, next one.
Okay. So are you sure that you will know this?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Any doubt?
No doubt, ma'am.
No doubt.
No.
No doubt.
ma'am.
Now will you tell the multiples of 5?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
5,
Yes,
10,
ma'am.
5,
10,
15,
20, 25, 30, 35, 40,
Yes,
45,
yes, yes.
55,
Enough, 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 enough. So if the number has 0 or 5 in its unit place, we can divide that number by 5 because multiples of 5 or in the multiplication table of 5, if you see, you can see the numbers in unit digit as 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Unit digit is either 5 or 0, 5 or 0, 5 or 0, like that. Okay, children.
Yes, ma'am.
So what will be the divisibility rule of 5?
If the
It
number
will be
has
0 or
if
5.
the number
Number has
zero or 5
0 or 5 in its
or
ones
5
place,
place,
that number is divisible by 5. Correct, children?
yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
If it is 35, tell me whether it is divisible by 5.
Yes, because last digit is 5, so it's divisible by 5.
Last digit is
One
5.
number. Tell.
This is divisible by 5
How did you
because last
understand?
digit is 0. Last digit is 0.
Last digit is 0. Okay. Is it divisible?
Yes, ma'am. The last digit is 5.
Fine. Unit digit is 5. Okay, children. So that is second one. Divisibility by 5. Divisibility by 5.
5.
5. If a number which has either 0, 0 or 5 in its ones place, it is divisible by 5. Example,
Ma'am,
445. 690.
9,995.
Ma'am, we can write our own examples also,
and
right?
we can write random number
random number means
random numbers but ending with 0 or 5. So the numbers divisible by 5.
however big be the numbers, you can identify by seeing the ones digit. Shall I take the attendance, children?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. 1 second.
Ma'am. Done.
Done.
Okay.